Hi there, I'm Stephanie and I'm a Zenfolio expert. In this guide, we'll talk about custom pricing, a feature exclusive to our Pro Suite and Portfolio Plus subscribers, which allows you to adjust the price of photos that may need to be priced differently from other photos in your gallery. You will need an existing price list that's already assigned to a gallery as your starting point, and then you can follow these steps. So I'm going to select two images. And the way that I select multiple is by holding down the Command key. If you're using a PC, you can use the Control key. Click the three vertical dots in the upper right of the image and click Set Custom Pricing. This is going to pop up your options. Now from here, you can either add a simple markup to the cost of all products in your price list assigned to the gallery, or you can limit it to specific products. If you select this and click Select Products, it's going to pop up your options. Select the ones that you want it to apply to and click Apply. Save your changes, and that's it. I hope this helps.